Hello friends, good day to all of you. So the month of Shravan is here. It's the month of festivals. We also have a Sindhi festival, Satain, or also known as Thadri, and we prepare a lot of special dishes on this day. We worship Sitla Mata and we eat cold food prepared on the previous day. So I have already shared a lot of recipes like Lola, Satpura, Aesee Bhaji, Pakora, Kanbho. I'll be sharing those links also in the I button and description box. So today's one more dish we are preparing. It's called Mithyun Tikkyun. This is something similar to Lola, but these are deep fried. So let's proceed to make Mithyun Tikkyun. For Mithyun Tikkyun, we have taken all-purpose flour or Maida 1 cup, whole wheat flour 1 cup, half cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of Desi ghee or clarified butter, quarter teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, 2 tablespoons of semolina, and oil to fry. First, we are going to dissolve the sugar in water. Transfer it into a small bowl or a pan. Add little less than 3/4 cup of water. Now with the help of a ladle you have to mix everything vigorously until the sugar melts. Now this takes a long time. What you can also do is in the morning you soak the sugar in water. As you are doing your other kitchen work, you can keep mixing intermittently. Now the sugar is almost dissolved. Do not make it hot or melt the sugar on gas. If you put hot water, the tikkis are going to become very hard. So you have to just work this way. Mix it with the ladle. Now this is done. We are going to knead the dough with this sugar syrup. First in a wide platter or parat. This is called parat in Hindi. We use it for kneading the dough. Mix together all the ingredients: maida, wheat flour, semolina, sesame seeds, cardamom powder. Stir them with a spoon so that they get mixed thoroughly. Some people also make tikkyun only with maida or all-purpose flour, but it's always good to mix both the flours. And semolina is added to give a nice texture, crispy texture. Next, we are going to add the ghee now. Mix it well with your hands until it resembles crumbs. Once you are able to make a lump, then you know the quantity of the ghee is just perfect. Now adding the sugar syrup little by little, you knead the dough. This quantity of sugar is perfect for tikkyun. We usually don't make them very sweet, but if you have a sweet tooth, you can add a couple of tablespoons more. For 2 cups, I've added half cup of sugar. We had taken 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of whole wheat flour, and half cup of sugar. Now the dough is done. Gather it and we are going to set it aside. rest it for 15-20 minutes. Knead it lightly again before you start making the tikkyun. Let's roll them out now. Take a smaller portion. This quantity makes about 7 tikkyun. If you make smaller ones, you get 8. Medium sized, you get 7. Roll it out into a thick roti and pinch the edges. You can also skip this, but the tikkyun look nicer this way. You can also make just plain round ones. So here the tikki is rolled out. In the same way you are going to roll out the other ones. Now I'm on my last one. They look cute with the edges pinched, isn't it? Gives a nice look to the tikkyun. Now this is done. We are going to fry them. Now take a flat paste pan like this. This is also called a jalebi pan. It's nice and heavy. Pour oil into it. Once the oil is hot, check it. This is also a tip how to check the oil. Insert a wooden stick and you can see the bubble formation, which means the oil is hot enough. Now you can slide in the tikkis carefully. The normal way of checking oil is we drop a little bit of dough into it to make sure it's hot. So today I showed you one more tip. Now that tikkyun have gone into the pan, make sure you don't put too many at a time. Fry them in 2 batches. It should be comfortable enough to move them around and turn them. Let them cook a bit until light golden brown first on one side before you turn it. Otherwise they might even break. So keep moving them with the ladle. Slowly check with the tongs if one side is little bit done. Patiently you have to fry these. It takes long time. Once it is little brownish, you can flip the side. Make sure you are not frying it on high flame, otherwise the outer crust will become dark brown and then inside they will remain raw. You have to keep adjusting the gas flame between medium and low and turn them frequently to get a perfect texture. These require continuous attention. You see now the color is changing and they are becoming lovely golden brown. It takes about 6 to 8 minutes. Each batch will take that much time. Now they are nearly getting done. You can just remove them once they are done. Now fry the next batch in the same way. Here we go. Thadri or Satain special Mithyun Tikkyun are ready to be served. Make and enjoy them with your family on this Satain or Thadri. Happy Satain in advance. Friends, do check out my other recipes also, Thadri recipes like Lola, Satpura, Kanbho, Aesee Sai Bhaji. I am sharing the links in the description box and the I button also. So make and enjoy these goodies on your Thadri. Let's check the texture. It's nice and crispy. Outer layer is quite crunchy. And inside it's cooked very well. It has a lovely flavor of cardamom powder. Friends, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and also click the bell icon to be notified about the new uploads. Here are some videos from my collection. Do check them out. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.